What if I told you that you could make protein bars that taste like a candy bar, cost less than $1 each, and fuel your body like a superhero? Stick around because I'm revealing a secret ingredient at the end that takes these from good to mind blowing. Let's go. All right, health warriors. Today, we're making chocolate protein bars that are so easy you don't even need to turn on your oven. Before we dive in, comment below if you're team bar or team ball, because yes, you can make these into energy balls too. And keep watching because that secret ingredient I mentioned, it's coming at the end and it's a game changer. Step 1, grab a large bowl and dump in your 1 cup of rolled oats. These beauties are going to give you long-lasting energy without the crash. Next, a 1/2 cup of natural peanut butter. This is your protein powerhouse, and it's what holds everything together. Kind of like me holding my life together on Monday. Now, add 1/3 cup of honey for natural sweetness. If you're vegan, swap this for maple syrup or agave. Time for the chocolate. 1/4 cup of chopped dark chocolate. Did you know dark chocolate has antioxidants? So basically, this is health food. Here's where it gets really good. Add 2 tablespoons of flax seeds. Did you know flax seeds have omega-3 fatty acids, specifically ALA, that reduces bad cholesterol, lower blood pressure, fight inflammation, and support brain health? Plus, lignans in flax seeds are powerful antioxidants and phytoestrogens that may decrease risk for certain hormone-sensitive cancers like breast and prostate. Now, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. Their soluble fiber forms a gel, slowing digestion and helps you feel full, while alpha linoleic acid supports heart and brain health. Basically, they keep you full longer and your stomach happy. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla protein powder for an extra protein punch, and 1 tablespoon of cacao powder for that rich chocolatey flavor without the guilt. Now comes the arm working. Stir everything together until it's well combined. If it feels too dry, add a tiny bit more peanut butter. Too wet, more oats. If you're still watching, drop a emoji in the comments. Let me know you're committed to making these with me. Now for the fun part. If you have bar molds, press the mixture firmly into them. No molds, no problem. Use a cookie scoop to make energy balls instead. Make sure you really pack them in there. We want these bars to stick together, not crumble like my New Year's resolutions. Cover them up and pop them in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. This is the hardest part, the waiting. Once they're firm, you can wrap them individually in plastic bags or plastic wrap. Meal prep champions. This is your moment. Store these in the fridge in a tightly sealed container for up to 1 week. But let's be honest, they won't last that long. Want to make a big batch? These are freezer friendly. Lay them on a baking sheet, freeze until solid, then transfer to a freezer bag. They'll last up to 3 months, and you just thaw them in the fridge when you're ready to devour them. All right, You've been waiting for this. The secret ingredient that takes these bars to the next level. A pinch of sea salt on top before you refrigerate them. It balances the sweetness, enhances the chocolate, and makes your taste buds do a happy dance. Sweet and salty. Chef's kiss. Of course, if you have high blood pressure and you don't want to risk it, I understand. You can also try adding a teaspoon of espresso powder to the mixture for a mocha version, or swap the peanut butter for almond butter. The possibilities are endless. Let's recap what you just packed into these delicious bars. Omega 3s from flax and chia seeds, supporting your heart and brain. Antioxidants fighting inflammation. Fiber keeping you full. And plant-based protein powering your day. This isn't just a snack, it's functional fuel. Here at Come Back Vegan, we want you to have all the knowledge, all the recipes, and all the tips you need to be successful on your journey to a healthier you. Here's to your success.